Okay, shopping and how much money we are saving. So we're going to be dealing with money as our answers now. So let's just put here before we do anything. You can always round money to the hundredths. In other words, into the penny. Okay, so you won't have to ask, do we have to round this? Yeah, if you're dealing with money, it should go to the penny. And that's what the cash register would do too. All right, so we're going to get a problem, and let's just go right to it. Let's say the problem is you are buying a sweater, a nice sweater, for $29.89. You brought a coupon for 30% off. And there's also going to be a tax when you get to the register, a 7% tax. You have to find the final price. So final price, that's what you have to find. Okay, so there's going to be a few steps that we have to do in order, and we're going to do them right now. So the first thing you have to figure out is how much money you're saving, and that is called the discount. So let's just put here, the discount is the amount of money you save. So it's an amount of money. In this problem, we're going to save 30%, but we need to figure out what amount of money that is. So there's a formula for discount, and it's using a proportion. So let's write the formula here. So it's going to be always the percent over 100 and the discount over the original price. If you want to write, that's what that means, original price. Okay, so there is the discount formula. All right, so let's use it to figure out how much money we are saving. So our percent is a 30% discount. So we're going to do 30 over 100. Do we know the discount? No, that's what we're looking for. Do we know the original price? Yeah, $29.89. $29.89. And from here, right, you can solve the proportion like we normally would. So 100 times x is 100x. 30 times 29.89. Let's see, 30 times 29.89. Whoa, I typed it in wrong. No, I didn't. So 896.7. Okay. Get x alone, we're going to divide by 100. And if I type that in, let me show you what I'm getting here. 8.967. If I'm going to round that to the penny, that's going to be $8.90. That's got to go up to a 7. All right, so I'm saving $8.97. I kind of wish I kept that as a D. So the discount is $8.97. Okay, so that's the first thing we have to do. The second thing we always have to do, I'll put it over here, is find the sale price. And the way you're going to find the sale price is also a formula. So sale price, you take the original price and subtract the discount, obviously, right? You take the amount of money you're saving and take it away from what you were going to pay. That makes sense. Oh. I'm just trying to turn this. Okay, so let's find the sale price. The original price was $29.89. We're saving $8.97. Let's just type that in. $29.89 minus, here I'm typing it in here, $8.97. So I'm down to having to pay $20.92. Okay, so I go up to the cash register feeling good. Oof, but I have to pay the tax. All right, so that's the third thing you always have to figure out is the tax. And that's going to be a proportion formula as well. So you're going to do percent over 100 tax over sale price. So that's something you can memorize there. Or just always refer to your notes, that's fine. So the percent I said was, let me go back, 7% tax. Okay, so 7 over 100 equals T for tax that we don't know. And we're going to use the sale price of $20.92. Okay, let's solve this. 100 times T, 100 T. 7 times 20.92 is 146.44. How do I get T by itself? Let's divide by 100. Okay, I'm getting this. 1.4644. So that would be what? $1.40. Is that going to stay a 6 or go up to a 7? Well, look one over, and that's a 4, so that's below a 5. So that's going to stay. So the tax is $1.46. Not too bad. All right, and then the last thing we would figure out is the final price. And the formula for that final price is always the sale price plus the tax. All right, which makes sense. We have to pay the $20.92, right, thanks to our coupon, plus the $1.46 tax. Okay, let's type that in. $20.92 plus $1.46. And I'm getting our final price is $22.38. Okay, so that is the process. Every time we have a discount, you have to find the amount of the discount, right? You can use a proportion for that. Subtract it off the sale price, or the original, so you get the sale price. Figure out the tax, and then add it on. Okay, so this is what your homework will look like. Some of your homework will just ask for the sale price, so you can stop there. Some of them might give you the sale price, and then you find the tax and the final price. So it's going to be about reading the problem and using these formulas and going from there. All right, good job.